what do you think of this beautiful soap design? You like it? How about this incredible beauty? Beautiful, right? You want to know how I did it? Well, guess what? I am so willing to show you. The technique is surprisingly easy, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. You can see I chose my colors that I want to include in my soap, and on opposite sides of the corners of my soap mold I slowly began to pour the colors in alternating ways. I think the soap came out beautiful. You do want to watch the consistency of your soap, because if it's too loose, be muddy, and if it's too thick, it won't spin and create that beautiful swirl design that we need in our soap. You definitely want to choose a fragrance that's slow moving and a soap recipe that's slow moving, so that you have enough time to pour all of your layers and spin the layers into a design. You also do not want to fill your mold all the way to the top, because when it spins, you don't want nothing to spill out. Alright guys, I'm about to start spinning, so if you get dizzy quick, don't watch. But basically I'm spinning the soap so that it can create that swirl in the soap, because it's still kind of loose moving, and as it spins you're going to see that the design is going to start changing. Okay, is everybody okay? Is everybody everybody got their lunch still in their stomach? Okay, good. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Just from them swirls, I got this little wavy thing going on, like a lava path or something. But it looks beautiful. This actually came out better than expected. I love how the orange adds that brightness and that blue just adds a little punch. Look how the swirls go all the way through the soap, so every corner of your soap is going to have some kind of swirl pattern. I also decided to remove that bottom layer off, and watch what happens when I remove that bottom layer. Boom, boom, look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes, it is beautiful. That blue is just singing. That orange and that blue is just, I don't know, it's taking me So as you can see, if you are a regular on my channel, you know that I've been fighting to get another soap loaf cutter, and this is it. I will do a review on it so you guys can see the ins and outs of it. So far, I'm just trying to get used to it, but I love it. It cuts so nice and clean, and I love it. Look at that. So just so you guys know, you don't have to have a ton of colors in your soap. You can have 2 colors. You can have natural colors. You can have botanical colors. It doesn't matter. When you swirl it, it does create a very beautiful design in the soap. Look at that. That looks beautiful. And this soap cutter cuts very, very clean, which is what I love about it. Ting, 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 ting. This soap makes me happy, you guys. This soap makes me feel like I'm ready for the seasonal change. I'm ready to go camping and take a shower outside in the sun. I'm ready to go to the amusement park. I'm ready to go visit family. I'm ready for that barbecue. I am just ready. Now, the fragrance that I use in this soap is Baja Cactus Blossom and Honeysuckle. What? Talk about fresh flowers. I know that combination seems crazy, but it smells sweet. It smells beautiful. It smells light. I love how this design came out, and I really hope you guys love how it came out too. I will be doing some edits to the soap, so please stay tuned for that, because once I start editing and beveling this soap, oh my goodness, you guys. This soap just came out spectacular. Spectacular, you hear me? As a matter of fact, if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You're getting pizzazz, you're getting recipes, you're getting personality, you're getting the crazy, you're getting the happy, you're getting the positive vibes, and you're getting the techniques. Let's go. Subscribe right now. Hit the like button. No, seriously do, because YouTube will not push my content out unless you guys actually subscribe and hit like. I don't know what's going on. Now look at this bevel, you guys. Look how it transforms this soap bar. I mean, yes, the soap bar was beautiful before, but look at it now. Banging. Banging. What we saying? What y'all saying? Look at this soap bar. Look at it. That is beautiful. You hear me? Oh my goodness. beveling your soap just transforms your whole bar, and especially when it has like a design in it. Oh my goodness. Now there are some edits I did that I did not show you, like I had to shave down the sides because they were a little frumpy looking in my opinion, so I wanted that sharper edge. As you can see when I'm turning the soap, it has like a more cleaner, sharper look to it. Yes, because we got to show out when we making our craft. We gotta show out. Now this soap had a little scrape mark in it, so I'm going to show you how I fixed that. But if you don't have like a fancy beveler, you can use like a potato peeler. That works well. I just haven't had much success with it because I pull out too much soap. But here I'm just lightly scraping the top of the soap bar just to kind of even out the surface so that that line is not as prominent, and you'll see a slight difference in it, which I'm satisfied with without me having to actually scrape off the top, because my fear was scraping off the top of it, I was going to mess up the design. Like underneath it I wouldn't have the swirl. I probably would, but I just ain't want to mess with it. In the comments section below, I need to know what you guys think. What do you think about these wild colors? I didn't know if these were going to go well. I just took a chance, you guys, and I was like, we gonna walk out on faith. And it came out looking actually really beautiful in my opinion. I would love to try this design with more botanical or natural colors or earth tones. I saw a soap like this using the Spin Swirl Technique, and it used earth tone colors, and it came out absolutely spectacular. So what do you guys think of the soap? Let me know in the comment section below and what colors you would use. And I know you ain't about to exit this channel. The party just started. You need to click on one of these videos. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Until next time, you guys.